Alright, in this video we are going to be going over how plants make food. The process plants use to make food is called, if you can't pronounce this, use your pronunciation guides following it. So, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis usually takes place in a plant's leaf. Most leaf cells have a special part called chloroplast that contain chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green material that can trap energy from sunlight. It also gives leaves their green color. Okay, so there's a lot going on there. Photosynthesis takes place in a plant's leaves. Most of the leaf cells have a special part called chloroplast. And inside the chloroplast, there's chlorophyll. And that chlorophyll is a green material that traps the energy from sunlight. So if we look back at the cell of a plant, we see chloroplast. Here's the chloroplast. Inside the chloroplast is chlorophyll, and the chlorophyll is what traps sunlight. Okay? It traps the energy from sunlight. Leaves take in carbon dioxide from the air through tiny holes. Water that is absorbed through the plant's roots reaches the leaves through tubes in the stem. In the chloroplasts, the process of photosynthesis changes carbon dioxide and the water into food. And the food that is produced is sugar. Tubes in the stem carry the sugar. It's made in the leaves to other parts of the plant. In the process of photosynthesis, oxygen is also produced. Wow! The oxygen is a waste product that is released into the air. Okay, so there is a lot going on. Plants making food. The process, this whole process is called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Okay, photosynthesis usually takes place in a plant's leaves. And we've just looked, if you go with a microscope and look closely at a plant's leaf, it has chlorophyll, or excuse me, chloroplasts. That part of the cell is called chloroplast. They contains chlorophyll. And as the sunlight beams down, inside that chloroplast is chlorophyll. The chlorophyll traps the sunlight inside of its leaf. While that's taking place, leaves take in carbon dioxide from the air through tiny holes. Okay, so a leaf is doing a ton. Sunlight comes down, boom, traps energy inside the leaf. Also, it is taking in, the leaf is taking in carbon dioxide from the air. Goes in through tiny holes into the leaf. Water in the roots of this plant, water is being absorbed and it's being transported throughout the plant. Water moves from the roots through the stems to the leaves. The roots from the ground pulls it up, the stems pull it up, and the stems bring it to the leaves and all the other parts. And then, inside the chloroplast, the process of photosynthesis, it takes in carbon dioxide, it's got the water, it has the sun. In the chloroplast, the process of photosynthesis changes carbon dioxide and water into the food that the plant needs. And that food that is produced is sugar. And then tubes in the stem carry that sugar that's made in the leaves to other parts of the plant. In this process of photosynthesis, oxygen is then released into the air, which is huge because guess what we need? Guess what animals need? Oxygen. It's a waste product. Plants cannot use it. They release it. They get rid of it. And in turn, we can use it. It's a fantastic relationship that we have. So photosynthesis is huge. A lot going on there. You may even want to pause this video, rewind it, watch it again. It's good stuff. All right. Good job, guys.